Welcome to Tehran, home of the iconic Milad Tower, one of the tallest structures in the world. Standing at an impressive 435 meters, Milad Tower is not just a visual marvel but a symbol of modern Iran. It was built in 2007. It boasts a stunning postmodern architectural style that captures the essence of Tehran. It's the tallest tower in Iran and the sixth tallest in the world, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. From its observation deck, you can soak in breathtaking 360-degree views of the city and the majestic Alborz Mountains. On a clear day, you can even see all the way to the Caspian Sea. Ready to experience Tehran like never before? Step inside Milad Tower for a complete visit. Let's go! At the base, you'll find a bustling complex that includes restaurants, shops, and exhibition halls perfect for a day of exploration and fun. By night, Milad Tower transforms into a dazzling spectacle, illuminated in vibrant colors that celebrate special occasions and holidays. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or just looking for a great photo op, Milad Tower is a must-visit destination when in Tehran. Visiting Milad Tower isn't just about admiring its height. It's an opportunity to engage with the heart of Tehran, making it a true landmark filled with experiences. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through Milad Tower. We hope you enjoyed exploring this iconic landmark and discovering all its hidden gems. If you loved this tour, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!